Mandy and welcome to Mandy Cook's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the main ingredients of Thai cuisine. It's coconut milk, and we only use two ingredients for today. Is shredded coconut, or we call coconut flake. I'm using 2 coconut and 550 grams of warm water. We're going to make the coconut milk out of it. So let's get started. Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้ subscribe. Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now I got my coconut milk that I made from the shredded coconut. So I'm going to use this coconut milk for my curries, my dessert, and other Thai dish. And trust me, if you are in Thailand, you should learn how to make your own coconut milk because the coconut milk have a rich taste and smell really good and will make your food more delicious. Let's see what I'm going to cook with it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye! If you cannot find a shredded coconut at your home, you can just get the coconut milk from the box.